In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a profile card in Card. A profile card is a compact web section that highlights your photo, name, role, a short bio, and links to your socials or portfolio. Using Card, we'll set this up quickly with a clean, responsive design that looks great on mobile and desktop. First, open your browser and head to Card's website. Card is a simple, free tool for building one-page sites, which makes it perfect for a clean profile card. You don't need any coding experience to follow along, and you can do everything right in your browser. On the home page, look for the button that says Choose a Starting Point. Go ahead and click that to open Card's template gallery. This is where you'll pick a design foundation so you can jump straight into styling instead of building from scratch. In the gallery, browse for a card-style template that matches your aesthetic. You can filter or scroll through categories, and you'll often see options labeled for personal sites, profiles, or links pages. As you preview, pay attention to the layout, where the image sits, how much white space there is, and how the text stacks on smaller screens. Think about your brand colors, whether you prefer light or dark backgrounds, and how many links you want to show. Tip: click the mobile preview to make sure the card remains readable and the buttons are easy to tap. Once you've found a template that fits, click Select. Card will open the builder with the template loaded and ready to edit. You'll see placeholder text, images, and buttons that you can replace with your own content. Now customize the card in the builder. Click on any text to edit your name, title, and a short, scannable bio. Keep it concise, 2 or 3 lines is perfect. Replace the image with your photo by selecting the image element and uploading your file. A clear headshot works best. For links, use buttons or icons to point to your portfolio, email, or social profiles. Make sure each button has a clear label and correct URL. Open the sidebar settings to adjust colors, fonts, and spacing. Choose a typeface that's easy to read, set a hierarchy for headings and body text, and align everything centrally for a clean card look. If your template includes a container, tweak its width, corner radius, and shadow to create depth. Check both desktop and mobile previews as you go, and fine-tune padding so the card feels balanced. And that's it. You've built a polished, responsive profile card in Card, ready to share and update anytime.